My dear children, how are you? I hope you are fine at your home. In the last session, we have discussed about Roman numerals. In today's class, we are going to see a new topic, that is estimation. What is meant by estimation is, in our daily life, we are using some approximate value. For example, if you bought a toy for 198 rupees means, someone come and ask you, what is the cost of this toy means, what do you say? You never say 198 rupees. You will say it is 200 rupees. Like that, we are using some approximate value in our daily life. This type of situation is called the estimation. How can we find the estimate value for the given values? This estimation process consists of three main steps. One is rounding off to the nearest 10, rounding off to the nearest 100, rounding off to the nearest 1000. This is very easy topic. If you listen the class, you can easily do the sums. Okay. First, we are going to see how to round off the given number to the nearest 10. Okay. See here. First, here considering the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the process of rounding off to the nearest 10. Okay, listen carefully children. Here we have written the number 0 to 10. Observe here. You have to round up the given number to 0 or 10 only. You have to round up the given number to 0 or 10 in the case of nearest 10. It's clear? Now, what are the numbers are rounded off to 0 and which numbers are rounded off to 10? Let us see. See here, the number 4, 3, 2, 1. That is, the number 1 is nearer to 0 than 10. That is, 1 is far away from 10 and 1 is nearer to 0. So, similarly, the number 2 is closer to 0 and it is far away from 10. Similarly, number 3 is closer to 0 and distance from 10. Similarly, we are round offing the number 1, 2, 3, 4 to 0. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 are rounded off to 0. It's clear children? So what happened to the next number? See here, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is after 5 I am speaking. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are closer to 10 than 0. So the number 6, 7, 8, 9 are rounded off to 10. It's clear children? Once again I am saying, see here, rounding off to 10, we are considering the 10 numbers 1 to 9. That is, we are rounding off the number 4, 3, 2, 1 to 0. If 0 comes, we also round off the 0 to 0 only. And the next number 6, 7, 8, 9. We are rounding off this number to 10. Okay. Then what happened to the number 5? Let us see. The number 5 is equidistant from 0 and 10. See here, 5 is the middle of the number 0 and 10. So, we have the equal chance to round off the 5 to 0 as well as to 10. So, by convention means all the mathematicians accepted this method only. Usually, we are doing this method. Thus, type situation is termed as convention. By convention, 5 is rounded off to the higher value, that is 10. It's clear children? So, rounding off to the nearest 10 means, lastly we have to, what is the conclusion? We have to round off the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 to 0 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to 10. It's clear children? See. See, next we are giving, suppose we have given 2-digit number, means how can we round off to the nearest 10? Let us see. See here, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, up to 20 I have written. See here, 15 is equidistance from 10 and 20. That is, in case of rounding off to the nearest 10, the 2-digit number come means we have to first consider 10 numbers. Okay? See here, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 means this 14 is 14, 13, 12, 11 are rounded off to 10. And then 16, 17, 18, 19 are rounded off to 20. In case of number 1 to 10, you have to round off the number to 0 and 10. In case of number 11 to 20, you have to round off the number to 10 and 20. So for the extreme numbers are 10 and 20. Here the extreme numbers are 0 and 10. It's clear children? See here. So what are the numbers we are rounding off to? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. These numbers are rounded off to 10. Here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are rounded off to 10. This is 1-digit number. Here it is 2-digit number. Listen carefully. Here also 16, 17, 18, 19 are rounded off to 20. And the 15 is, though it is equidistance from 10 and 20, by conversion 15 is rounded up to 20. It's clear children? See here. Suppose you consider the number 21 to 30 means 21, 22, 23 like up to we are taking the set of number means the number 21, 22, 23, 24 are rounded up to 20. Similarly 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 are rounded up to 30. Similarly 31, 32, 33, 34 are rounded up to 30. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 are rounded up to 40. Very good. Similarly, we can explain this. Okay. Let us see one example sum. Okay. Example sounding round up the following numbers to the nearest 10. Listen carefully what is given in the question. We have to round up the given value to the nearest 10. See what is the first question? 28. 28 means it lies between 20 to 30. We are rounding up the 21, 22, 23, 24 to 28 and 28, 26, 27, 28, 29 to 30. So we have to round up the 28 to 30. Thus the rounded up value of 28 is 30. For our convention I have written round up values. Round up values of 28 is round up value of 28 is 30. It's clear? See the next one. 34. What is the answer? Yes, somebody of you have guessed. What is the round up value of 34? Yes, 30. What is the round up value of 47? 47 lies between 40 and 50 and it comes after 45. That is 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 are rounded up to 50. So round up value of 47 is 50. It's clear? See the next one, 81. 81 lies between 80 and 90. Before 85 are rounded up to 80. So 80 is rounded up to 80. Thus the round up value is 80. It's clear? See the next one, 62. 62 lies between 60 and 70. So 62 is round up to 60. See the last one, 99. 99 lies between 90 and 100. That is 99 is very closer to 100. Thus we are rounding 99 to 100. That's all the example sounding. We have round up the given number to is the nearest 10. It's clear children. Let us see some more example. Example 18. Round up the following numbers to the nearest 10. This is also we have to round up to the nearest 10. But observe the given question. It is a 3-digit number. Here we have 2-digit number. Though it is 3-digit number, you have to consider the last 2-digit only children. See here 87. 87 lies between 80 and 90. So you have to convert the round of the 87 to 90. So your answer is 990. Thus you have written 990. See the B sum 873. 73 lies between 70 and 80. So you have to round up the 73 to 80. So your answer is 870. It's clear children? 73 lies between 70 and 80. So the 73, 71, 72, 73, 74 are rounded up to 70. Thus 73 is rounded up to 70. Thus your answer is 870. See the next one, 755. 55 lies between 50 and 60. Before 55 we are rounding up to 50 and 55, 56 up to 59 are rounded up to 60. Therefore 55 is round up to 60. Thus your round up value of 755 is 760. Clear children? See the next one, 698. This is the sum you have to give more concentration. Listen here. For your understanding purpose, I have split it. Okay. See here. Now I have split the 698 as 600 plus 98. 98 lies between 90 and 100. So we have to round up the 98 to 100. Thus 98 is rounded up to 100. 100 we have 600. So 600 plus 100 we have 700. Thus the round up value of 698 is 700. In your test paper you just write 700 only. Don't write this step. For your understanding purpose I have written this. Okay. See the next one, 359. 59 lies between, yes, very good, 50 and 60. So you have to round up the 59 to 60. Thus your answer is 360. It's clear children? See the next one, 421. 21 lies between 20 and 30. You have to round off the 21 to 20. So your answer is 420. Next example 19. Round off the following numbers to the nearest 10. See the question children. Here we have the 4-digit number. Okay. See here first question is 1456. Rounding up the nearest to 10 means you have to just consider 2-digit, last 2-digit only. 56. 56 lies between 50 and 60. So above 55, 56, 57, 58, 59 are rounded off to 60. Thus 56 is round off to 60. Thus the round off value of 1456 is 1460. It's greater than 1460. See the next one. 8631. You have to consider the last two digit 31. 31 lies between 30 and 40. So you have to, before 35, the numbers are round off to 30 only. So 31 is round off to 30. Thus the rounded off value of this number is 8630. It's greater than. See the next one. You have to consider the last two digits 72. 72 lies between 70 and 80. So the same story only. 72 is round off to 70. So the round off value of this number is 3570. Though it is any digit number, 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit, 6 digit. The question nearest to 10 means you have to consider last to 2 digit only. You have to keep this in your mind. See the next number 4574. Consider the last to 2 digit. 74 lies between 70 and 80. You have to round up the 74 to 70. So your round off value is 4500. 74 is round off to 70. That is 4570. See the next one 4765. 65 is round off to the highest 10. That is 70. So the round off value is 4770. So here you have to write 70 children. 70. 4770. See the next one 9879. 79 is round off to the highest value. That is 79 lies between 70 and 80. It should be round off to the highest value 80. So your round off value is 9800. 79 is round off to 80. Thus the answer of this question is 9880. It's great. Next we are going to see is rounding off to the nearest 100. So far we have seen only the rounding off to the nearest 10. For that we are considered only the 10 set of numbers. Here we are going to convert the given number to the nearest 100 means we have to consider the 100 numbers. How can we round up the given number? First we consider the first 100 numbers. Okay, that is I have written 0 to 100 with I have no space. So I have written the dash like this. So before 50 you have 1, 2, 3 etc. up to 49. That is the number 1 to 49 are rounded off to 0. Okay, in rounding up to the nearest 10 we are taking only 4 numbers. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 only we have taken. It is round up to the nearest 10 we are considering 10 numbers. Here we have taken round up to nearest 100 means we have to take 100 numbers. So here before 50 we have 50 numbers. Okay, you have to round off that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 etc. up to 49. You have to 1 to 49 and also 0. You have to round off this number to 0. That is 1 to 49 are rounded off to 0. Similarly 50, 51 etc. up to 99. Very good. 50, 51, 52 etc. is going on up to 99. We have to round it off to 100. It's clear children. Though 50 is equidistant from 0 and 100, by convention we have to convert the 50 to the higher value, that is to 100. It's clear. See the next set of 100 numbers. Next I am considered 100 to 200. 100 to 200, which is the middle number? 150. So before 150, that is 101 to 149 are rounded off to 100. The extreme values here are 100 to 200. Okay, 10 means 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, like the nearest 10 means. Nearest 100 means you have to take the extreme value 100 to 200, 200 to 300, 300 to 400, like that you have to take. Okay, that's the number 101 to include 100 also. 101 to 149 are rounded off to 100. Similarly, 150 to 199 are rounded off to 200. It's clear, children? Let us consider the next 100 numbers. 200 to 300. Thus 201 to 249 are rounded off to 200, and 250 to 299 are rounded off to 300. Similarly, we will extend our ideas. Lastly, we have 901 to 1000. For that, 901 to 949 are rounded off to 900, and next 950 to 999 are rounded off to 1000. It's clear, children? See the next one. Round off the given number to the nearest 100. That is, we have to round up the given values to the nearest 100. See the question 987. Here we have to consider the whole number. To the nearest 10 means you have to consider the last two digits. Here they ask to round up the nearest 100 means you have to consider the 3 digits. Consider the 3 digit 987 as it is. 987 lies between 900 and 1000. So the number greater than 950 are rounded up to 1000. It is greater than 950. So it is rounded up to 1000. Thus the round up value of 987 is 1000. It's clear. See the next sum. 833. 833 lies between 800 and 900. Before 850 numbers are rounded up to 800. So it is before 850 it is less than 850. Because see here 33 is less than 50 only. So it is rounded up to 800. See the next sum. 756. 756 lies between 700 and 800. So up to 749 we are round up to 700, and from 750 to 799 we are round up to 800. Thus 756 is round up to 800. Thus the round up value of 756 is 800. See the next one. 698. 698 is lies between 600 and 700. It's clearly it is very close to 700. So 698 is round up to 700. It's clear, children? Next we are going to see the example sum. Example 21. Round up the following numbers to the nearest 100. The question they are asking us to round up the numbers to the nearest 100. Nearest 100 means you have to consider the three numbers. Okay. See the first one. 1456. That is 4456 you have to consider. This 456 number is lies between 400 and 500. Okay. Before the number 450 are round up to 400, and from 450 are round up to 500. Here we have 456. So it is from 450. So you have to round up this 456 to 500. Thus your answer is 456 is round up to 500. So your answer is 1500. See the next sum. 8631. Please round up to 100 means you have to consider 3 digit only. 631 lies between 600 and 700. Before 650 are round up to 600. So 631 is round up to 600. So your answer is 8600. Straight children. See the next one. 3552. 542. 3542. 542 is lies between 500 and 600. Before 550 are round up to 500. After that are round up to 600. So we have to round up the 542 to 500. So your answer is 3500. It's clear? See the next one. 4574. You have to consider this 3 digit number 574. It lies between 500 and 600. So it is more than the 50 number. So you have to round up this to 600. So your answer is 4600. Stay children. See the next one. 4765. 765 is lies between 700 and 800. See it is closer to 800. So you have to round up this to 765 is round up to 800. So your answer is 4800. See the next one. 9829. Consider this 3 digit number. It lies between 800 and 900. It is 29. So it is before the 50 number. So it should be round up to 800. Your answer is 9800. That's all about the rounding off to the nearest 100. Next we are going to see the rounding off to nearest 1000. Nearest 1000 means you have to consider the 1000 numbers as I said. In rounding off to 10 you have to consider 10 numbers. Before 5 you have round off to 0, and from 5 you have to round off to 10. And rounding off to 100 means you have to consider the 100 numbers. Before 50 numbers are round off to that number, that is 10, 20, 30 like that. After that it should be rounded to the next extreme number 20, 30, 40 like that. See here. Here you have to first consider the first 1000 number. Among the first 1000 number, 1 to 499, that is before 500 are round off to 0. And from 500 to 999 are round off to 1000. It's clear, children? Among these, your 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit numbers are coming. That is 1 to 499, you have the 1 digit and 2 digit number. Thus, 1 to 499 are round off to 0. And from 500 to 999, from 500 to 500 also. 500 and 501 to 999 are round off to 1000. It's clear, children? See the example sum. Before that you also know the 4 digit numbers. How do you round up the 4 digit number nearest to 1000? See here. 1001 to 1499, that is before that 500 are round off to 1000. And from 1500 to 1999 are round off to 2000, because these numbers are closer to 2000 and these numbers are closer to 1000. That's why we are rounding off this number to 1000 and rounding off this number to 2000. It's clear? See the example 22. Round off the following numbers to the nearest 1000. See here, we have the questions. We have 4 digit numbers. So take the 4 digit number as it is. Okay. See here, 9674. This number lies between 9000 and 10,000. So this is 674 is greater than 500. So it should be closer to 10,000. So you have to round off this to 10,000. That's your round off value is 10,000. It's clear. See the next one. 3298. You have to consider the number as whole. This number lies between 3000 and 4000. It is before the 500 number. So it should be closer to 3000 only. So it should be round off to 3000. That's your answer is round off value is 3000. See the next one, 7500. It lies between 7000 and 8000. It is in the middle of the 7000 and 8000. So by our convention you have to round off this to 8000. Thus your round off value is 8000. It's clear? See the next one, 4399. It lies between 4000 and 5000. This 399 is before that 500 number. So it should be round off to it 4000. It's clear? See the next one, 5921. It lies between 5000 and 6000. It is very closer to 6000. So it should be round off to 6000. It's clear, children? See the next sum. Example 23. Rounding of the following numbers to the nearest 1000. See here, they have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digit number. The previous example they have given the 4 digit number. So here we have the 5 digit number. In this case also you have take only 4 digit children. Okay. First consider this sum. Take the 4 digit number. 7962. So it lies between 7000 and 8000. See here, 962. So it is very closer to 8000. So it should be round off to 8000. Thus your round off value is 28,000. It's clear? See the next one. 85,345. The question is round off to nearest 1000. So you have to take the 4 digit. Thus we are considering this 4 digit. This 4 digit number lies between 5000 and 6000. See here, 345. This is before that 500 number. So it should be round off to 5000. So your answer is 85,000. It's clear, children? See the next example. 45,287. Consider the 4 digit number. It lies between 5000 and 6000. By seeing this, it is very closer to 5000. So it is round off to 5000. So your answer is 45,000. See the next one. 36,777. The question is round off to nearest 1000. So you have to consider the 4 digit number. We are considering this 4 digit number. It lies between 6,000 and 7,000. It is very closer to 7,000. It is because it is more than 500 number. So you have to round off this to 7,000. So your answer is 37,000. See here 12,123. Consider the 4-digit number 2,123. It lies between 2,000 and 3,000. It is very closer to 2,000. So your answer is 12,000. It's clear, children. See the next one. 49,500. See here. Here you have last 4 digit is 9,500. It lies between 9,000 and 10,000. It is the middle number, so it should be round up to the highest value. So you have to round up this 9,500 to 10,000. Already you have 40,000. So 40,000 plus 10,000 you have 50,000. It's clear, children? See the example 24. You have to estimate this value. That is, you have to round up the values and then you have to add them. Okay. Read the question. 15,567 plus 34,300. In this sum, we are going to round up this given value to the nearest 1,000. To round up the nearest 1,000, you have to consider the 4-digit. Consider this 4-digit number. 5,567. It lies between 5,000 and 6,000. So it is very closer to 6,000. So here you have to round up this value to 6,000. Thus you have 16,000. It's clear, children? Next see the next number. 34,300. So you have to consider this last 4-digit number. 4,300 lies between 4,000 and 5,000. Before 4,500 are round up to 4,000. So here you have to round up this value to 4,000. So we have round up value of this sum as 34,000. Thus we have round up this to 16,000 and round up the 34,300 as 34,000. And in the question they told to add this value. By adding these two values, it is 16 plus 34 you have 50. Thus your answer is 50,000. It's clear, children? See the next example 28. You have to estimate this value. Before you have A division and B division, it is very easy sum. See here C sum. You have to estimate and then you have to multiply it. Okay. Estimate means you have to round up the given value. See here 62 and 4,651. Here it is a 2-digit number. So you have to round up this number to nearest 10. Okay. 62 lies between 60 and 70. So it is closer to 60. So 62 is round up to 60. It's clear, children? See here 4,651. It lies between 4,000 and 5,000. So it is closer to 5,000. So it is round up to 5,000. So 60 into the round up value is 5,000. Now you have to multiply this estimate value. Forget the zeros. 6 5s are 30 and add the 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros around it, you get 3 lakh. It's clear, children? See the next example 29. Raman sold 21 books for rupees 375 each. How much he quickly estimate the amount with him? That is, Raman is holding the book. He sold 21 books and last of one book is 375. So you have to quickly calculate what is the amount with him. So for that you have to multiply the estimate value only. So what are the given values? 21, 375. The 21 is a 2-digit number. So you have to round up the value to the nearest 10. That is 21 lies between 20 and 30. So it is clearly closer to 20. So it is round up to 20. And 375 is round up to nearest 100. It is closer to 300 and 400. So clearly it is closer to 400. So it is round up to 400. In order to calculate the amount with Raman, you have to multiply this estimate value. What are the estimate value? 20 and 400. So multiply 20 with 400. Forget the zeros. 2 4s are 8. How many zeros you have forget? 3 0. Add the 3 zeros. Thus amount with Raman is 8,000. This is the approximate value. Okay. See here. See the example 30. You have to divide this value after the estimate. Estimate means you have to round off the value and then you have to divide it. See here 7,607 divided by 489. The first value is 4 digit. So you have to round up this number to the nearest 1,000. And second number is 3 digit. So you have to round up it to the nearest 100. See here 7,607. It lies between 7,000 and 8,000. So it is closer to 8,000. So it is round up to 8,000. And 489 lies between 400 and 500. So it is closer to 500. It is round up to 500. See here. Here what is the operation they give? They have to divide the two values. So first value is round up to 8,000. Second value is round up to 500. So first 0 0 getting cancelled. So remaining we have 80 divided by 5. If you divide 80 by 5, you get the answer 16. Clear, children? Next see the example 31 sum. Ayush visiting his aunt who lives 365 km away. The bus is moving at the speed of 49 km per hour. Approximately after how many hours will Ayush reach his aunt's house? That is in the question. Ayush is the boy who is going to visit his auntie. Auntie's house is at the distance of 365 km. Ayush going to his aunt by bus. Okay, the speed of the bus is 49 km and the distance is 365 km. Now we have to find that within how many hours the Ayush will reach his aunt's house. Before going to calculate this, first you have to estimate the given values. What are the given values? One is 365 km, another one is 49. This is the speed and this is the distance. Okay. First you have to write the given values. Before doing the calculation, you have to estimate them. Okay. 365. It is round up to nearest 100. It lies between 300 and 400. So it is clearly it is closer to 400. So it is round up to 400. And 49 it is a 2-digit number. So it should be round up to the nearest 10. It is lies between 40 and 50. Clearly it is close to 50. It is round up to 50. In order to find the time taken by the Ayush, that is approximate time only we are going to calculate. Further you have to divide the distance by speed. What is the distance? 400. We have round up the 365 to 400. And what is the speed? 50. Now we are going to divide this distance by speed to find the time taken. Okay. Cancel the 0 0. You get 40 by 5. So cancelling 1 5 is 5. 8 5 are 40. By dividing the distance by speed, we got the time. Thus, approximately Ayush take 8 hours to reach his aunt's house, which is at the distance of 365 km. This is the approximate value only. Okay. Now we are going to see the problems from your exercise 1.2. See the 11th sum. A toy store had 5,763 marbles in stock. That is, in the stock they have this much of marbles. Okay. In 1 month, the store was able to sell off 3,445 marbles. This is the amount of marbles in stock. This is the amount of marbles they sold in 1 month. Estimate. Estimate means you have to round off and then calculate. Estimate the number of marbles left over. Okay. That is, we have to find the remaining marbles. Remaining marbles, how can you find? By subtracting the sold marble to the total marbles we found out. To find out the result, you have to round off them. In the question itself, they have told round off to the nearest 100. So you have to round off the given values to the nearest 100 only. So the given digits are 4 digits. I round off to the 1000. You can't say because in the question itself they have told round off to nearest 100. So round off the given value to the nearest 100. Okay. What are the given values? 5,763, 3,445. To round off the nearest 100, you have to consider 3 digit only. 763 lies between 700 and 800. So obviously it is closer to 800. So the round off value is 5,800. See here 3,445. It should be round off to nearest 100 means you have to consider 3 digit only. 445. It lies between 400 and 500. So it is before the 50th number. That is 450. So it should be round off to the 400. So your answer is 3,400. Thus we have round off the given values. That is 5,800 and 3,400. That is, we have to write it as number of marbles in stock equal to 5,800. Marbles sold in 1 month equal to 3,400. To find the number of marbles left over with Raman, with that shop. Okay, with that shop means you have to subtract this. By subtracting this with 5,800, you got 2,400 marbles are left in the shop. Okay. See, this is your homework sum, 12th sum, very easy sum. A post office dispatches 8,638 letters to domestic addresses. For the domestic addresses, they are dispatching 8,638 letters, and to the foreign addresses, they are dispatching 2,468. And the question is, find the total number of letters dispatched by the post office. Total means what you have to do? You have to add the given values. But in this sum, it is come under the topic of estimation. So before to calculate, you have to estimate that value. They also given one condition: round off to the nearest 10. Round off to the nearest 10 means you have to consider only 2 digit. Consider this 2 digit 38, 68. 38 lies between 30 and 40. So it is very closer to 40. So the round off value of this is 8,640. See here, 68 lies between 60 and 70. So it should be round off to 70. Thus the round off value is 2,470. To find the total letters dispatched, you just add these two numbers, you get the total number of letters dispatched. Okay, that's all about the topic estimation, children. Write the class up very neatly and do the homework sum in your homework board. In the next class, we will see the new chapter. Okay.
My dear students, in today's activity, we are going to discuss about real number system. Where we get the numbers, we are getting the number from this real number system. See the chart, children. The real numbers are mainly divided into two divisions. One is irrational numbers and another one is rational numbers. Inside the rational numbers, it means rational number consists integers. Similarly, integers contains whole numbers. Similarly, whole number contains natural numbers. So, the entire real number system consists all the number system. They are irrational numbers, rational numbers, integers, whole numbers and natural numbers. Let us discuss the number system one by one. First, we are going to see about natural numbers. What is meant by natural numbers? The another name for natural numbers is counting numbers. That is, natural numbers are defined as the counting numbers or positive integers also. The natural number start from 1. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. This collection is said to be natural numbers. The symbol we are using to denoting the natural number is capital N. So, natural numbers, its another name is counting numbers, and N equal to set of all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Next, we are going to see whole numbers. Whole number consists of natural number and 0. It means if you add 0 with natural numbers, you get whole numbers. Natural number start from 1, 2, 3, etc. It was going on. Whole numbers start from 0. Yes. Thus the whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. It was going on. You are seeing the number line representation of whole numbers. To represent the whole numbers, we are taking the ray because ray has one end point and another side extends endlessly. Similarly, whole number start from 0 and it extends on another side endlessly. That's why for denoting the natural number and whole numbers, we are taking the ray as a number line. So what is meant by whole numbers? Whole number start from 0. So we can say W. W is the notation for representing the whole numbers. So capital W equal to set of all 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. are said to be whole numbers. See here, children, what are you seeing? You are seeing number line representation of integers. So integers contains negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. We can also explain it as negative integers, 0 and positive integers. What is meant by positive integers? 1, 2, 3, 4. It means the natural number only. So 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. are called positive integers. What is meant by negative integers? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, etc. are called negative integers. So along with these two type of integers, if you add 0, we get integers. It means integers contains negative integers, 0 and positive integers. Also we can explain integers contains negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. Also we can explain integers as it contains negative integers and whole numbers. Okay. And note that children, 0 is neither positive or negative. It is a neutral number. Okay. So what is the symbol for integers? Capital Z. So capital Z equal to etc. -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. This set is said to be integers. See this arrow diagram children. First you are seeing real number system. It is mainly divided into rational numbers and irrational number as I said earlier. And then rational number is extended into integers and integers is extended into whole numbers, and then inside the whole number we are seeing the natural numbers. The symbol for natural number is n, and the symbol for whole number is w, the symbol for integer is z. So n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. W equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 etc. Z, that is integers, which is equal to set of all etc. So before that you have to put etc. and then write the negative numbers. Okay. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 etc. Okay. In the next activity we will discuss about rational numbers and irrational numbers. So in this activity what you have learned? The real number system. Among the real number system, in today's activity we have detailedly discussed about natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. Okay. Thank you children.